Hello everyone, this is Gabriel. In this tutorial, we'll be learning the TSQL where clause. Where clause, we use the where clause to filter the records in database and to fetch the main records. Now, let's begin. So, let's select ID, name, salary from what? Employees. The employees here is what? Our table name. So, where salary is greater than what? 100. Where salary is greater than what? 100,000. So what we do there was that we select ID, name, salary from employees where the salary is greater than what? 100,000. So we execute our code. Can you see? Let's perform another task. Let's say let's select um name, salary, age. So from employees, the employees here is what? Our table name. Where this is the condition, the where clause condition. So where name is equals to what? Azan. So where name equals to Azan, to put a quotation mark. Can you see that? Can you see? So let's run our code. So here we select the name, can you see, salary and age from the employees. The employees what? The employees is what? The table. So where the name is what? Azan. Can you see that? Let's perform another where clause. So we select the what? The ID, the name, and salary. So selected the name, we selected the ID, the name, and salary from employees. That is the table name. So where? This is the condition. The where here is the condition. Where age is greater than what? 25. Can you see that? So let's execute our code. So where age is greater than 25. Can you see? ID, name, and salary that is greater than what? 25. Thank you.